Question number 111. In most ecosystems, all the pyramids of number, energy and biomass are upright. It indicates that Statement A. Producers are more in number and biomass than the herbivores. Statement B. Herbivores are less in number and biomass than the carnivores. Statement C. Energy at a lower trophic level is always more than at a higher level. Choose the correct option. Option number 1. Only A is correct. Second, only B is correct. Third, both A and C are correct. Fourth, both B and C are correct. So choose the statements which are correct and which are incorrect. A. Producers are more in number and biomass than the herbivores. In this question, it is asked that all the pyramids of number, energy and biomass are upright. Then it indicates here it is the upright pyramid where the producers are maximum in number, then herbivores, and then carnivores. Now see, A statements, producers are more in number and biomass than the herbivores. Of course, producers are more in number and biomass. Number and biomass of producers will be more than the herbivores, as herbivores are less in number. So this statement is correct. B. Herbivores are less in number and biomass than the carnivores. This statement is incorrect. As you can see here, herbivores are more in number as compared to the carnivores. See, energy at a lower trophic level is always more than at a higher level. It is correct because the pyramid of energy is always upright. Energy flows unidirectionally, and energy at lower trophic level it always more than at the higher level. So statement A and C are correct. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 112. Which one is not an example of primary pollutants? Option 1, DDT. Second, carbon monoxide. Third, pollen. Fourth, PAN. Before dealing with this question, you should know what is primary pollutants. Primary pollutants are the pollutants which are directly released in the atmosphere. DDT, pollen and carbon monoxide, these are primary pollutants. Hence, these options are ruled out. PAN is a secondary pollutant, not the primary pollutant. What is secondary pollutant? A secondary pollutant is a pollutant which is made by the reactions of the primary pollutants. So pan and ozone O3 are the examples of the secondary pollutants. So the correct answer for the given question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 113. Select the mismatched pair. Option 1, Minamata disease, mercury. Second, Blackfoot disease, arsenic. Third, uremia, copper. Fourth, Itai, lead. In this question, you have to choose which one is the mismatched pair. First, Minamata disease, mercury. This is correct. Minamata disease is caused due to high consumption of mercury. It is caused in the individuals which consume more fishes in the Minamata Bay, which have large amount of mercury. This disease disturbs the central nervous system. Second, Blackfoot disease, arsenic. This is also correct. Blackfoot disease is caused by the consumption of arsenic in the water. In Blackfoot disease, the blood vessels of the lower limbs are damaged. Third, uremia, copper. This is also correct. Uremia, or the high amount of urea in the urine, is caused by the consumption of copper. Fourth, Itai, lead. This is mismatched or the wrongly matched pair. Why? Because Itai, it is a painful disease and the pain remains in the skeletal muscles, and it is due to the consumption of high amount of cadmium, not the lead. So the correct answer for the given question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 114. In which part of the atmosphere good ozone is found? Option number 1, troposphere. Second, stratosphere. Third, ionosphere. Fourth, exosphere. So you have to tell in which part of the atmosphere good ozone is found. In this figure, you can see these are the layers of Earth's atmosphere. It is the troposphere, the lower atmosphere, stratosphere, the upper one. Exosphere, the outermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere. The bad ozone is found in the lower atmosphere, that is troposphere. The bad ozone is found in troposphere. Exosphere is the outermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere, and here the good ozone is not found. In ionosphere, it is the layer of Earth's atmosphere which is ionized by the solar or the cosmic radiations. This option is also ruled out. The atmosphere where good ozone is found is the upper atmosphere called the stratosphere. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 115. Choose the correct type of ecological pyramid on the basis of following data of dry weights. First, secondary consumer 11 kg per meter square. Second, tertiary consumer 1.5 kg per meter square. Third, primary producer 809 kg per meter square. Fourth, primary consumer 37 kg per meter square. First option, upright pyramid of biomass. Second, inverted pyramid of biomass. Third, inverted pyramid of energy. Fourth, upright pyramid of number. By seeing all the information, you have to select the correct ecological pyramid. See here, the following data is of dry weights. It means it is something which is related to biomass, not with the energy or number. Hence, these two options are ruled out. Correct option can be option 1 or 2. Here, in the data, you can see that the primary producers have the maximum or the largest biomass. They are present at the base. So, primary producers are present at the base, 809 kg per meter square, followed by primary consumers which have 37 kg per meter square. Then secondary consumers 11 kg per meter square, and last or at the top, tertiary consumers which have 1.5 kg per meter square biomass. This shape of pyramid which comes here is upright, not the inverted. The inverted type of pyramid is something like that where producers should be minimum in number or they should have minimum biomass, but this is not the possible case over here. The biomass of producers is the maximum. So second option is also ruled out. So the correct option for the given question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question.